twice daily regime and 4 times daily regime. The issue is either that pregnant women with gestational diabetes mellitus do not own the substantial skills, abilities, and knowledge, or that there are inner or exterior obstacles prohibiting them from performing on their intentions. However, in these situations, the suitable interference is not one outlined to alter attitudes or to impart awareness, but one guided at skills constructing or at assisting them evade or overcome obstacles. Insulin may be offered via pens, which are more suitable for medical staff and patients and which supply precise doses of medicine. Twice daily regime. However, the morning dose comprised 2/3 of the overall daily insulin, and as well, the afternoon dose comprised 1/3 of the overall daily insulin. However, the morning dose contained 1/3 human regular insulin, Denmark, Actrabet, Novo Nordisk, and 2/3 human intermediate insulin, Novo Nordisk, Insulatard, and as well, the evening dose contained similar amounts of intermediate and regular insulin. With respect to patient's response, modifications were personalized for the amount of overall insulin and the proportion between the insulin. 4 times daily regime. However, the initial 3 dosages of regular insulin were offered by insulin pen, Novo Nordisk, Novo Pen 3. Half an hour prior to each prime meal, and as well the 4th dosage of intermediate insulin was offered prior to bedtime. In spite of the truth that intentions are perhaps our preferable thinking forecaster of whether a pregnant woman with gestational diabetes mellitus will or will not accomplish an overt attitude. Intentions, for instance, changing non-pharmacological and pharmacological plan, do not constantly foresee corresponding attitudes. For example, having an ideal glycemic control. Even if a pregnant woman with gestational diabetes mellitus holds a positive intent, she may become incapable to perform on that intent. For instance, accomplishment of what her physician advised her to do step by step.